Thank you, Radiant Scholars, for supporting me so far. It's already been 1 year since my first upload, and I've learned so much since then. Time really does go by quickly. My, or well, Miss Renela's birthday was actually on the 21st of June, and the channel anniversary was on the 28th. So why am I late to my literal own birthday? Well, actually on the 21st I was participating in the London to Brighton charity bike ride for the British Heart Foundation. For a quick overview, it was an about 90-kilometer ride to the southern coast of the UK. It was great fun. However, after that I was, for a lack of a better word, lazy to make a video about us. That is, until now. I want to keep learning alongside you all even further. So let's keep learning. By the way, the reason why my birthday is on the 21st of June is because that's the date of the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. Fitting for a mage with light powers, huh? Perhaps I'd like to work on the lore someday.